friends and loved ones. I'm Christine von Liederbach, and I'm a certified yoga instructor, flower essence therapist, homeopath, and Shodan. So today we're going to practice supported crescent lunge. Bring your palms together. Roll your shoulders back and down. Broaden the collarbones away from each other. Bring the hands, sternum onto the breastbone. Lower the eyes. In this upright position, begin taking long, slow, deep, smooth inhales. And long, slow, smooth, deep, steady exhales. Fill the body with light and energy. On every inhale, feel the pranic life force energy filling the body from head to toe. And on the exhale, release any tension, anxiety, worries, concerns, doubts, fears. Let it all out on the exhale. Big, full, long inhales, bringing the life force energy in, pranic energy in, on the inhale and exhale. Tension, anxieties out on the exhale. The lips are touching each other, the mouth is closed, and the breath is done through the nose only. One more big full inhale in. Just drink in the joy of the moment, the stillness and the peace, the safety of this present moment. From the hips, ascend the spine upward. Keep rolling the shoulders back and down. Broadening the collarbones. Pressing the palms together and into the sternum. Holding this position now, normal breathing. Just gently let the head roll forward. Shoulders still rolling back and down. Still ascending the spine firmly up. And then lower the palms facing up onto the thighs, shoulders rolling back and down. Lift the head, and then relax. All right, so for our asana today, supported crescent lunge, if you were on blankets, just move them to the side. And you will need 2 yoga blocks. So take your blocks. Put them at the top of the mat, the tail of the mat going behind you. Bring your feet between the blocks, just like this. And then come forward into Uttanasana, so that your hands touch the blocks. And feel free to bend your knees if you need to do that. Bring your hands onto the blocks. Take your right foot all the way, step it back. Bring the right knee down onto your mat. Make sure that your front shin bone, front leg shin, is parallel to the wall in front of you and perpendicular to the floor beneath you, just at a nice 90-degree angle. From there, take your blocks and press your hands down onto the blocks, lifting your torso up and look up. If you need to adjust your front leg so it stays at a 90-degree angle, take a minute to do so. And in this position, we'll take some nice long breaths. And just again, adjust yourself as you need to into the pose. Pressing down, lifting the torso up. Nice, long, slow, deep inhales. Good, and nice, long, slow, deep exhales. Again, the breath is done through the nose only. Press down onto your bricks, lifting the torso up, creating space in your hip area. Opening the hip, breathing into the hip area. Nice, long, slow, deep breath. Full, deep breath. Pushing it up from the bricks, pushing the torso up. creating an upward moving energy in the spinal cord upward. Again, rolling the shoulders back and down. And take a nice full breath in. Curl your toes under. Lift your extended leg up and step forward. Bring both feet between the bricks and come standing up into Tadasana. Forward again into Uttanasana. Hands to the bricks. Feel free to bend your knees. Take the opposite leg back. Bring the knee to the floor. Arrange your front leg so that it's at a 90-degree angle, perpendicular to the floor, parallel to the wall in front of you, perpendicular to the floor beneath you, 90-degree angle. Push into the bricks, push the spine upward, creating an upward moving energy in the spinal cord. Looking up, long deep breaths. Again, opening the hip of the extended leg. This is a great pose to practice the Crescent Lunge in because you're not aggravating the hip. Sometimes when people do this position without the support of the bricks, they can put a lot of pressure onto the cartilage in the hip area and actually damage it. So this position helps to open the hips and support the hip at the same time without putting undue pressure on the hip joint. So inhale deeply, nice full breaths. Keep checking the angle of your front leg if you need to. Extend the back knee back a little further so that your front leg stays at a 90-degree angle. Big full inhale through the nose only. Push into the bricks. Lift the spine up. Exhale through the nose. Big full breath. On the inhale, breathe the life force, the prana through the whole body. Energize the body. Exhale out toxins, worries, tension, fears out on the exhale. Nice big full inhale. Exhale. Bring the leg up and come forward again. Bend the knees, Uttanasana. Lift the head, look up. Lift the tailbone, arch the chest downward. Take the hands to the hips. And from the hips, stand up. Good. Now come sitting down. You can sit on your bricks if you want, or back on your blankets for a little height. And sit just like this. Good, and from there, once again, bring the hands to the sternum. From the hips, ascend the spine upward. Open the area we call the armpit chest. Roll the shoulders back and down, holding this upright position. Bring the palms together with the heel of the hand right on the sternum bone, pressing in. Long, slow, deep, steady inhales. Long, slow, deep, steady exhales. Just simply watch the breath, holding this beautiful upright position, shoulders rolling back and down, broadening the space between the collarbones floating a bit apart from each other, opening this whole area of the torso, the armpit chest, the lungs. Big full inhale, exhale. Now on the next inhale, start breathing the breath in from the area just above the belly button. And allow the lungs to open outward and upward evenly, just like a barrel. Bring the air all the way up to the collarbones. Fill this lung area and turn the breath around and let it exhale out. Again, just above the navel band, let the breath begin to inhale, allowing the lungs to expand outward and upward evenly, just like a barrel. Bring the breath up to the collarbones, and then turn the breath around, and let the breath gently, softly, like a silken thread, go out on the exhale. Let's do one more of these pranayamas. From just above the navel band, begin to bring the breath in, expanding the lungs outward and upward evenly. The breath all the way up to the collarbones. Fill this whole lung area and then turn the breath around, and on the exhale, release the breath through both nostrils, mouth closed. Good, and return to normal breathing. Namaste. I hope you have a wonderful day or evening. Enjoy your supported Crescent Lunge, and we'll see you next time.